like to take a quick second to thank the sponsors for Fishing Australia for this video. I can't do it without these guys, so make sure you head over and support them so they can continue to support me. Enjoy the video. Yo. G'day guys, Fishing Australia here. So today, me and Zabi went out to Coles Bay, have a bit of a look around for a kingfish, and we had a pretty fun day. We found a heap of salmon, and may or may not have found a kingfish in between the mix. But yeah, I'm going to leave you guys to it to watch and enjoy. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Salmon, yep. I was thinking about it. Yeah, do it. I might keep a couple of salmon. Where's the live well? Whereabouts?
Middle hat down the back.
Quick recording check. Recording. They're going nuts, man. What is that? Salmon. Yeah. Good they pull out the old salmon. On, King. Yep. What do you got? Oh, am I in your way? He's going deep. Nah, mine's just as awesome as salmon. Oh. He's so...
Fuck, that's a big salmon.
Oh, look at him go, man. Look at him chasing it. Oh.
Salmon?
Yeah, I reckon.
We'll get it right in the middle and just sink the cunt. That bird nearly just fucked me up.
Oh my god.
Oh, I dropped it.
I reckon you'll be on again.
What the fuck is going on? What the
Holy shit, man!
giving up?
Get up! That comrade wouldn't know what to do, man. Oh, he's peeling a bit. Oh, what is this? Salmon. I want one on the bait caster.
Oh, they're way down that way then. Full of fishing cunt. That's a king, isn't
King.
it? No.
Is it? No, it's a salmon. We got it.
They're both just gone straight over the fish.
Loose. They're big salmon too. Lit AF.
That was the quickest sleeve cinch I've ever done in my life. Where's my scissors gone? Where did the scissors go? Probably had them stick on. Oh, probably some salmon.
Oh, the king! Where's net? Get in.
Yes,
Yes.
Bill.
Yeah, boys.
Woo! I just lost my body to get the plastic on so quick. Where's my bird? Move, I need me to get. Move!
I'm trying. How good's that? Kingfish on the drop. Literally was a heap of salmon, and I just dropped down and went rat-ta-ta-ta. I just saw him come up, and he smashed it. Woo! How good's that?
Chuck me the water, we'll get quite off.
Yep.
I'm gonna go follow the bus up.
Little kings. Oh fuck! Come on!
Is there any more with him?
Nah.
Oh, we're just gonna go fish under the school. Salmon.
Woo! Kings!
What we gotta do?
Kings!
Let's go, Bill. The salmon in that sort of motion there too. That salmon. Not chucking it.
I need to sit down. We are fucking.
There's some weight coming to it. Right, let me go. You see a whole pack of something falling up. You get so excited.
Holy fuck!
Jesus!
I don't want you.
Here you go. I got the line.
Oh! God, these salmon will pull some string. I don't need to go to the gym tonight. They're proper fat too. Oh! That is such a... Big rocks, fat salmon, tiny kings, salmon flip.
So we just go along the rocks and just cast. It's actually got karma.
Yeah. Oh, what's that?
Fuck, they go hard.
Yeah.
Like if they were yellow, like maybe they just paint a yellow stripe on them.
Holy hell, that's giving a crack on the big rod. Oh, that, oh, cop that.
Then they give up.
Oh, wait, no, is it a kingfish?
No.
I just swear I saw a yellow stripe.
It's not. It's a salmon. See?
There it is. I hate it because they've got that slight tinge of yellow. These things have just been going through KFC drive-through on repeat. Oh, good.
Now he can't pull any string.
Oh no. This is like a horse of a salmon. Oh.
Look at the bust up behind there.
This is a proper horse of a salmon. Brim.
Oh, he's come from the die. Blood.
Get off. Oh, God, look at that. That is proper fat. Well guys, there's the king from earlier. Got a few salmon in between. There's heaps of salmon. We just haven't been able to find kings in between them, but we're going to keep on persisting. But yeah, that's a look at the first king we got. So with any luck, we get one a lot bigger. Hi guys.
Well guys, that's pretty much sums it up. Cheers heaps for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. But yeah, no, wicked little trip down Coles Bay. Heaps of salmon and a few kings in there, so definitely go and have a look. I'll see you guys in the next one anyway.